Okay, so Cleo's here and we're going to do a little attempt at dig. We're starting with chicken. Got 4 jars. Dug in some small holes. I didn't cover the tops of the jars. So we're going to see how she does. She's not happy she has her harness on. So, alright, let's move over here. Come here. Alright, so the first one I did to the right over here. Alright, so it's straight ahead here. Search. Find chicken. I'll try to... Okay, well, she's going to this one first, maybe. There's one right around this tree. Over here. Okay, working. I don't know. Okay, so walk right past that one. See if I can get her onto this one. It's right there. What's that? Yeah! Yes! Good girl! Okay, can you get it? Can you get it? What is it? Where? Where? Yeah! Go ahead. Can you get it? Yeah, go ahead. Get it. Good girl. Get it. Yep. Keep going. Good girl. That was okay. She's like, where's my chicken? That was good. Okay, we're gonna get you a little chicken. Okay. You want to dig at that one a little more? Okay, we'll go find another one. What? Where? Where? Yup, good girl. Dig. Dig. Good girl. Dig. Dig like this. Dig. Where? Where? Yep. Dig. Go get it. Go get it. Get it. Good girl. Get it. Good girl. Get it. You gonna get it? You get it? Yes! That was perfect. You did it. Yay! Good girl. Good girl. All right. So I've got one up here. Where? Yeah. Where is it? Cleo, where? She's right on it. Where? Where? Yeah, get it. Can you get it? Keep going. Where is it? Cleo, you want to get it? Cleo, get it. Get it. Come on. Where is it? Where? Where? What's that? What is that? Yeah, keep going. Good girl. Keep going. Yes. Yes. Yes, good girl. Yes, good job. Nice job, Cleo. All right.